Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by unplugging the fan and moving it to a stable workspace near a power outlet. Remove the grill and blade using the manufacturer's fasteners and set them aside safely. Inspect the power cord for frays and the switch for wear before touching any wiring. Wear insulated gloves and place a non-conductive mat under the fan to prevent shocks. Identify the live, neutral, and ground wires by color and label them with tape for clear wiring later. Locate the motor terminal block and the switch assembly inside the fan housing before wiring. Connect the live wire to the motor's live terminal using a secure insulated connector or crimp. Attach the neutral wire to the motor neutral terminal and ensure the terminal screw is tight and secure. If the fan uses a capacitor, connect its leads exactly as labeled between motor terminals and switch. Secure the ground wire to the metal chassis with a ring terminal and tight screw to ensure safe grounding. Reassemble the blade and grill carefully, ensuring the blade is seated correctly on the motor shaft. Double-check all terminal screws and connectors for tightness before closing the housing panels. Plug the fan into a properly grounded outlet to begin functional testing. Turn the fan on through each speed setting and listen closely for unusual noise, vibration, or grinding sounds. If you detect electrical smell, heat, or intermittent operation, immediately unplug the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.